In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a page into a template in Notion. If you're brand new to Notion or just refining your workflow, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to create a reusable template inside a database, so every new entry starts perfectly organized. First, open the database where you want your template to live. This could be a table, a board, or a list. Anything that shows entries as rows or cards. Head to the specific database page you already use for tasks, projects, notes, or whatever you're tracking. It's important to be inside the exact database because templates are stored per database and only show up where they're created. Once you're there, look to the top right for the blue New button. Instead of clicking it directly, click the small downward arrow next to it. That arrow opens the menu that controls how new entries are created. From that menu, choose the option labeled Plus New Template. This opens a dedicated blank template page tied to this database. Think of it as your master layout. Every time you use it later, your new entries will inherit this structure. Now, design your page. Start by giving the template a clear title at the top so you can recognize it later. Add headings to create sections, like Overview, Details, or Next Steps. Insert any blocks you need: text, checklists, callouts, toggles, or images to guide what you'll fill in each time. In the right-hand Properties panel, set up default values that make sense for your workflow. For example, pre-select a status, assign a default tag, or include a date placeholder. You can also reorder or hide properties so the most important ones appear first. The goal is to create a repeatable structure that reduces thinking and keeps your entries consistent. If it helps, add short prompts like "Write the summary here" or "Link supporting docs below," so you or your team know exactly what to include. When you're happy with the layout, you don't need to hunt for a save button. Notion saves automatically. Simply click back or click outside the template page to return to your database. Your template is now ready and will appear under the New button's arrow, right alongside any other options for that database. The next time you add an entry, choose this template, and your page will open with everything pre-filled and neatly structured. If you found any value in today's video, hitting that like button is a small gesture that makes a huge difference in helping others find our content. We're always looking to grow, so please drop a note in the comments. Whether it's a specific part you enjoyed or a suggestion on how we can level up our production. We read every single one, and your feedback directly shapes what we build next.